afternoon. Thank you so much for being here with us. We are Team Sedation Innovation, and for the past year, we have been working with WakeMed Anesthesia Department. My name is Pooja, and I'm in Biomaterials.
I'm Nausicaa, and I'm in Biomaterials.
I'm Sean, and I'm in Biomaterials.
I'm Josh, I'm in Bioinstrumentation.
I'm Travis, and I'm in Biomechanics. So one of the first surgeries I got to observe was an orthopedic surgery in which a patient had to be flipped over. When they flipped the patient over, the IV lines got entangled and snagged on the x-ray machine. This ripped the central line out of the patient, and she started to bleed. Thankfully, the nurses were there, they patched up the wound, and they reinserted the IV. But we knew this was a problem, so we looked further into the problem, and we found that 300 million IVs are used in the US each year, and 70% of IVs fail due to improper securement.
To ensure that this was a significant need, we surveyed several CRNAs at WakeMed. Here are just a few of the comments that we received. One CRNA said that on a scale of 1 to 5, she would rank the entangled IV lines as a 50 on how cumbersome they were. We even had a CRNA say that, OMG, kill me cumbersome, on how annoying and frustrating the IV lines are.
The current technology for the organization of IV lines includes the Easy View, in which you insert a single IV line into each of the slots, but this restricts the motion of the IV lines. In addition, medical twist ties are used to bundle the IV lines, but this does not allow you to isolate a single line. Also, they have a makeshift device that is medical tape that they just wrap around a bundle of IV lines, and this also doesn't allow isolation of a single IV line, and it's quite cumbersome for the nurse anesthetist.
Alright, so our solution to this problem is called the caterpillar clip. It's basically 6 spherical magnets encased in silicone. And it also can be color-coded to help with organization. And basically you just flip it around an IV line, and then you can either attach it to another line which has a caterpillar clip or another magnetic surface in the operating room. This is our current prototype. It's light with only 30 grams, but it has a connective strength of 330 grams, and it's really cheap at 10 to 20 cents per clip. Here's a video of how it works.
So here's our new and improved prototype of the caterpillar clip. And we have 3 separate lines to simulate what might go on in an operating room. So we have a caterpillar clip on this line and one on this line. Attach to the third line, just open it up, snap it around, close it. So you want to attach 2 lines together. They're freestanding. You want to get them all in a single bundle. Bring them together, a single bundle, and if you want to get them completely out of the way, attach them to some sort of magnetic surface, such as the IV pole. So here's our makeshift operating room. So we set up a dummy there to put our patient, and there were 5 different IV lines with a caterpillar clip on each one, and you can see we threw them into 2 different bundles and clipped them to IV poles on either side. And here you can see that they have the connective strength to all hold together into a single bundle.
One of our major concerns for our caterpillar clips was to ensure that the magnets within the caterpillar clips did not generate a huge magnetic field that would affect patients with pacemakers. So a safe magnetic field for pacemakers is 10 Gauss. So we used a Gauss meter to measure the magnetic field strength of the caterpillar clips at different distances. And the graph on the slide shows the exponential decay of the magnetic field strength versus increased distance. And as you can see, the threshold is only reached when the caterpillar clip is on top of the Gauss meter. So we have concluded that the caterpillar clips are safe to use on patients with pacemakers because pacemakers are located under the skin of the patient.
In the future, we'd like to use an injection molding technique to improve the quality of the caterpillar clip. In addition, we're going to use a flexible silicone that's color-coded in order for ease of organization of the IV lines. We're also going to decide whether disposable or reusable caterpillar clips are beneficial. We'd like to thank everybody who has helped us, and if you guys have any more questions, please see us at our poster. Thank you.